If HandBrake is throwing an input error, crashing during the scan, or stopping at the worker process stage, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a common issue on Windows, and it usually comes down to either hardware decoding being unstable, a missing or mismatched .NET runtime, or a file permission problem that blocks HandBrake from reading your video properly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get HandBrake scanning inputs again without guessing or wasting time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open HandBrake and take a look at the error you're getting. If the scan fails instantly or the worker process crashes as soon as you load a file, the first thing we want to test is hardware accelerated decoding. In many cases, HandBrake tries to use your GPU to help read the input, but if the GPU driver is outdated, buggy, or mismatched with the current app version, the scan can fail before it even starts. To change that, go to Tools, then Preferences, and open the Video section. Inside the video settings, look for the option called Enable Hardware Accelerated Decoding. If that box is checked, uncheck it. This forces HandBrake to use the CPU instead of the GPU when scanning the input, and that is often much more stable, especially if the file is damaged or your graphics driver is causing trouble. After turning that off, close HandBrake completely and reopen it, then try loading the same file again. In a lot of cases, that alone fixes the input error right away. If the problem still continues, the next thing to check is your .NET runtime. HandBrake on Windows depends on the .NET 8.0 Desktop Runtime, and if the desktop version is missing or corrupted, the application can behave strangely, including worker process failures and input scan crashes. Open your browser and make sure you have the .NET 8.0 Desktop Runtime installed for x64. Even if you already have another .NET version on your system, that may not be enough. Windows updates can sometimes break or remove the desktop runtime dependency without making it obvious, so reinstalling it is a smart fix. Once it's installed, restart your computer so the changes fully apply, then launch HandBrake again and test the file one more time. Now let's move on to the second major cause of HandBrake input errors: permissions. If your video file is stored on an external drive, inside Downloads, in OneDrive, or in another protected folder, Windows may block HandBrake from reading it correctly. This is especially common if controlled folder access or Cloud Sync is interfering with the file path. To fix that, close HandBrake first, then right-click the HandBrake shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app higher permission to access files that might otherwise be restricted by Windows security settings. Next, move your input file to a simple local folder like C:\videos. Avoid complicated paths, synced folders, or protected locations while testing. A clean folder path makes it much easier for HandBrake to read the file without running into access restrictions. After moving the file, reopen HandBrake as administrator and try the input scan again. If the file loads properly now, the issue was almost certainly related to permissions or folder protection, not the video itself. If you still get an error after all of that, try another quick check. Make sure the file itself is not damaged. Sometimes the issue is not HandBrake at all, but a corrupted source file or an incomplete download. Testing a different video is a good way to confirm whether the problem is specific to one file or affects everything you try. So to recap, the best fixes for a HandBrake input error are to disable hardware accelerated decoding, verify that .NET 8.0 Desktop Runtime is installed, run HandBrake as administrator, and move the file into a simple local folder like C:\videos. Those 4 steps solve most worker process and permission-related input crashes. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and drop a comment below if you want help with a specific HandBrake error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.